Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to sketch a rough graph of the market value of a new car as a function of time for a period of 20 years, and we're going to assume that the car is well maintained. So on our y-axis, we're going to have the value of the car in dollars, and on the x-axis, you're going to have time, which goes from 0 to 20 years. And this is just a rough graph, so we don't need any specific values, but let's just say this is the maximum value, and this is the value that we're going to end up with. We are saying that the car is well maintained, so it is going to not decrease super quickly. Obviously, as the car ages, it's going to become less and less valuable. And this is going to be the general shape. The difference between 0 and 1 years is going to be a lot more than the difference between 19 and 20 years. Most of the drop-off in price is going to be in the beginning of the 20-year period, so we want it to drop quicker and then level out as we approach the 20 years with the minimum value.